Hello, today I want to demonstrate you another version of ribbon controller, and this one probably the most simplest from all of them in the range of adaptive audio controllers, and it works as a variable resistor. So basically it's a passive sensor, it's a completely passive, there is no any power required to work with that controller. It has only one single output on the mini jack, and as I said, it works as a potentiometer, and basically that means you can use it with any hardware with CV input or with any MIDI keyboard or synthesizer with assignable pedal input. So everything works very easy and very easy schematics. By the way, it's a 50 centimeters long, and that is great. You can have a really good tricks with that by using it instead of standard controllers. And one of them I want to show you today is just a combination of that sensor with original Korg Monotron. And you see that's not just a factory one, it has a couple of modifications already. And this particular instrument, it has two modifications. First, it has external ribbon input. That is basically just, it's simply connected into the parallel to internal ribbon sensor. Here, it still works, and that is another good trick. We can use one on another or both of them at a time. And it also has a tag modification. It comes also as a potentiometer, a really easy modification, only potentiometer and capacitor. Just needed to be connected to some certain points, and you will get attack changes. It has really good value in the combination with ribbon controller. Let me show how it works. First, switch it on. Now, that is internal sensor, and that is external one. What you can notice from the beginning that the range of that sensor is the same as the range of a small internal ribbon sensor. And of course that is it, because it's connected into a parallel, so no matter of the size, it has same range. And original Korg Monotron, that one, it comes with also pitch potentiometer. You can change basically its pitch, but you cannot change the range of a sensor. In order to implement different range for external or internal ribbon sensor, there is another mode, a really simple one. You just need to change a couple of resistors, and by doing that change you will change the original range from 1 octave to 3 octaves or to 5 octaves. And that's just it. Now let me show you, well, I have already demonstrated how attack works, but basically it's another really good control. We have a slow attack here, and it keeps tracking your finger until you release it. So that is without it, and that is just using it. You can do very musical things by using that. And as I said, very easy mode to do. Now let me show you another Korg Monotron, and in that case I'll show you the delay one. It also has one modification. It has only external input. That is it. Disconnected here, connected there. Ready. What you may notice from the beginning, that default range for sensors is different for Monotron Delay and the original Monotron. And again, internal sensor, internal ribbon still works, but it works in a different range. It's possible to change the range again with some modifications and tricks, but that's what you have by default doing only external ribbon controller modification. still can do some really good things by using big ribbon. And so on. And it works. It has a great value, just use it. And it can be so musical as you practice on it. So go ahead and try it. Thanks.